Hi, this is Isabella and I'm guessing that if you're here, you're probably wondering about the Flexorol formula. So stay until the end of this video, because I will clarify all your doubts. To begin with, I would like to inform you that Flexorol is only sold on its official website. Any other sites that offer the product are not reliable, so I strongly suggest that, if you want to buy, you make your purchase through the official website, which by the way I will leave the link below in the description of this video. Well, after all, what is Flexorol and what is it for? Does it really work? Flexorol is a naturally formulated supplement designed to relieve and cure joint pain and even more serious problems like paralysis. It can be taken by people who suffer from chronic joint pain, as well as those who want to reduce the pain and prevent the worst from happening. Joint pain is a sad reality for millions of people every day. No matter their age, gender, or situation, people experience chronic joint pain due to various reasons such as obesity, poor exercise habits, genetics, or disordered DNA. Daily endless pain in shoulders, knees, elbows, hips, or even hands can make life unbearable and prevent people from completing their daily tasks independently. Having to depend on someone else to get you out of bed or shopping can affect the mental health of a person suffering from chronic joint pain. Flexorol can support the elimination of microplastics that are trapped in your joints. It can help eliminate inflammation in the affected areas, and it can help your joints regain the mobility and flexibility that they have lost due to different conditions. Flexorol can also restore joint and cartilage damage and strengthen your bones. Combining the high quality of the natural ingredients used in the manufacture of the Flexorol supplement and the correct way to use it, it will be very difficult for you not to have the expected results. With that in mind, what is the best way to take Flexorol? Just take one capsule a day before or after a meal and you will love the results you see and how you feel. After all this information, you must be wondering if there are any side effects when taking this formula. According to the manufacturers and the official sales website, Flexorol is made with only natural, gluten-free and GMO-free ingredients. For this reason, it does not cause any side effects in your body. And I have one more important thing to tell you. This product has a 60-day warranty. That is, if you buy and are not completely satisfied, you have a full money-back guarantee. So thanks for watching until the end. I hope I helped in some way with this video, and don't forget that if you want to access the Flexorol formula website for joint pain relief, the link will be in the description of this video.